What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning from the United Kingdom. Today we're going to look at Sandbox because we've got some huge news around this particular project that could help it basically pump back up to a key level of resistance. So traders or people that want to hold this particular project, this could be ideal for you. And I just want to show you some awesome news right here actually. The Sandbox buy 350 ethereum rare Moonbirds NFT. We can see this is the one right here, this lovely sort of jade green that we've got going on. Metaverse project, the Sandbox, bought a rare Moonbirds NFT for only 350 Ether, just over $1 million in USD, which is the most expensive Moonbird sale so far in the NFT project's bull run. We can also see here the Sandbox are buying NFTs. The developers of virtual world, the Sandbox, and its governance token Sand have bought many NFTs so far. According to NFT tracking website DAP Radar, they purchased a rare golden bored ape NFT for 2.9 million in 2021. So they're very well known for actually accumulating these blue chip NFTs. This news could signal a continued bull market for the Moonbirds, also so potentially a bottom for Sand, which is currently trading at just over $2, having hit a peak of $8 in November 2021. So this is quite interesting to see, and it sort of ties in with some of the technical analysis and price prediction I want to present to you today. We've also got some more news over here. Dubai's crypto regulator to launch Metaverse headquarters in the Sandbox. That's kind of cool. Vara Meta HQ will be based at an unknown location in the Sandbox. The launch is part of Dubai's attempt to turn itself into a virtual asset hub. So again, this is more sort of adoption-based news. It's really quite cool to see this sort of thing play out. I also want to show you, I've got my tweet giveaway at the moment. So if you want to be part of the $100 giveaway, there's not many people entered, so your chance to win is quite high. So make sure you head down in the description below or check the comment section. Head over to my Twitter and follow the rules so you can enter the competition, guys, because you don't want to miss out on the chance to win $100. And it's very easy to enter, which is going to take you a few seconds to do so. So what's going on with Sand at the moment? We rank 44, $2.21 over the 3.75% pump on the daily time frame, trading with a $2.566 billion market cap. And what's interesting is this continuation of lower highs and also lower lows. And when we look at the TA, we can see this. We can actually see this continuation where we've got the resistances joining up, and within this descending channel there is actually a broadening wedge as well, as we can see here. So we bounce perfectly off of this particular support level at $1.86. We have a lot of basically support from all the way over here in 29th of October, and I think it's very interesting to see that we have flipped these levels back into support now, almost a big V-shaped recovery from $1.84. And I think the next thing that we need to see happen is effectively come back down, retest this $2.08 level as a support level, or maybe we can actually head up higher to this key area of resistance that we've basically just got over here. So this is a key resistance level that we do need to retest before maybe seeing a bit of continuation to the upside. Ideally, in an ideal world, it would be great to see this happen right now for crypto, that we get a bounce back to $2.88, but of course we can still lose this support, retest as resistance, and come back lower, and we can still follow a downtrend. We don't know what's truly going to happen yet with cryptocurrency, but with the good news that's coming, with the amount of whales that are accumulating, with the lack of Bitcoin supply on exchanges, it does make you think that maybe we're going to see a bit of a pump to the upside. So if it was me, I'd be checking out the 4-hour time frame. No bearish divergence over here. What we have seen is actually a bullish divergence where we're seeing the price come down in the RSI, but more people are buying. And here it is. So we retested this fine level, this fine line of $2.08 multiple times over and over again. So I think we might get some continuation to the upside. It does look strong. You can see this is pretty much an ascending triangle. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad. If we can break to the upside of this bullish chart pattern right here, we're going to be at least seeing $2.38 in the next few days. So yeah, the potential long opportunity if we break through the resistance with volume at 230 is a 5% long position. If we lose the support here, we can come down about 13% on a short position if we enter at around $2.12. So the entry would be right there. So yeah, lots of exciting things going on right now for Sandbox, I'd say. We've got the big news at the moment. I'd say one thing to look out for is, let's check where we've actually corrected to from this particular impulse. We did come below the 0.786 Fibonacci, so it does make you think, maybe it is a good time to potentially get more. Even from last year, if we look at the pump, we've come down we've still had a strong correction. If we just grab this, we've come down to, where have we come down to? About the 0.786 still, even on the longer side of things. You know, we're looking logarithmically right now, so it looks a bit awkward, but there we go. That's what we're seeing. So that's what we're seeing with this particular coin. So we have come down actually quite heavily on our retracement. 0.786 here, and then from the very beginning of the bull run, 0.786. So actually that looks perfect. And can you see how all the way from January, where we got the bounce is perfectly on that Fibonacci 0.786, guys. A perfect bounce. Can we just get a thumbs up and a like for that perfect bounce on that 0.786 right there? Oh, that's beautiful to see. Anyway, so yes, I think this is a great time to potentially dollar cost average in on Sandbox. We've corrected already so much. If we look at the actual correction from here, we can see it's a 77% correction. So I'm very bullish right now. If you want to grab some Sandbox today, make sure you use my link down in the description below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here as well, guys. Don't miss out on the Twitter giveaway. Super easy to enter. And if you want to increase the odds to actually win in my giveaways, you can actually become a patron. Price for coffee, as you can see, 2 entries here, 4 entries here, 6 entries here, and you're going to get many other nice benefits. Come say hello in the Discord regardless. You can find the Discord down in the description below. It's about 200 people at the moment. We're all just talking about crypto and other cool things. So make sure you come say hi. Appreciate the support. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know who you want to see next. Bye now.